How to fix problem of adding video but not audio to sequence. To begin, I added a video with an audio attached to it to my project. When I drag the clip into timeline, I can see only video and not audio. To fix this problem, click on this A1 so it will be blue. Now drag your clip into timeline and both video and audio are there. If you click on V1 to disable the video track, now only audio will be brought and not the video. And if you want only video, you can disable A1 track. Pay attention that you can only enable one of the video tracks or one of the audio tracks at the same time. Also, pay attention that this is different from V1 to V3. You can see after lock button, and these buttons are for editing purposes, and you can enable multiple of them at the same time. So, the left V and A buttons are for when you want to add new media to your timeline, and the right V and A buttons are for editing purposes.